Hello, Carlos Packard from Citizen Portal coming at you today for another training video. I am going to take a couple of minutes today and show you new Scribe, how to sign up, and some of the preliminary setups on that. So in new Scribe, you'll just go to what you see here on your URL, scribe.newscribe.ai, and that will bring you to the login or sign up page here. And you'll just fill out your information. If you have a referral code, you can put that in there, and then you'll click on the sign up. And then once you're signed up and you log in, then you can come into the program here, New Scribe. It'll log you in. And then to get this set up for your Google Meet or your Zoom or what have you, whatever program you use for your meetings, you'll click down here on Settings, and that will bring up several options. And in the upper right, you have Integrations. So you'll click on Integrations, and Integrations, you'll have your Google Calendar or your Microsoft Calendar and your Zoom or your Google Meet, and you'll connect all those items to the Scribe. And that way, then it'll be set up that the new Scribe will join your meetings as you're conducting them. And that's really all that you need to do to set up. Thank you.